channel. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up, ring that notification bell. Also, guys, do not forget about that $400 cash giveaway. Whoever goes back and watches all my videos from the beginning and give a comment gets that $400 cash free money, guys. And all you gotta do is watch the videos. Watch the videos. I gotta get away from that. Watch the videos. And comment. And that will get you $400 in your pocket. Alright, today I'm little alright. I had to go get a tooth pulled today. I would have taken you guys into this office with me, but I decided not to do that. It was pretty good. It wasn't a bad experience. You know, most people don't want to go to the dentist because it scares the heebie-jeebies out of you. I was a little scared. The only thing I just don't like is they don't want to give you gas. They charge you $150 to use the gas to put you down while they pull abstract the tooth. Which, you know, I wouldn't mind doing, but I'm gonna pay $150 for a couple seconds. So, the only thing I don't like, I'm sorry, I still have the galls in my mouth. The only thing I don't like about going to the dentist when you're getting a tooth pulled is the fact that they have to put that needle in your gums. The first one hurts. It feels like somebody just sticking down in your gum, the meat of your gum, with a straight pin. And then after that, of course, you know, the next one is not that bad. But my dentist, he gave me some amoxicillins. Oh my God, when I say those things work, absolutely almost for impact. He gave me them yesterday. I took 2 of them yesterday. I was supposed to take one right when I got them from him, and then one later on that night. I took those pills. I'm not lying, guys. All the times, and because it was a bad infection, I let it get too far away. You know, I don't want to go to the dentist, so I let it get too far away, and it was infected really bad. So, yeah, gave me amoxicillin, and I went ahead and took them. Just taking that little bit was perfect. And that's no lie. That worked so fast. It worked almost immediately after I took it. It just started working. So anyway, it was very good. It was a good experience. I don't really want to do it again, but if I have to, then I know that it's going to be okay. So I know it's scary going to the dentist because you hear them drills and you know they're going to stick you with them needles, long ass needles. It wasn't even a long needle, actually. It was a very small needle. The first shot was then when he was doing the rest of it, putting the rest of the medicine in. And they do try to put that solution that's supposed to numb your mouth, the area that he's going to work in. It did pretty good. I mean, it got me numb enough. But I still felt the first pinch. Like I said, that first pinch, I still felt it. And then after that, I was good to go. But anyway, guys, it was a pretty good experience. Y'all heard me hitting and swinging? Fucking spider. Rolled down my window, spider just jumped in on me. I don't mess with spiders. The little baby ones is the ones that'll bite you and put a whole bunch of venom in you. About that time, I guess, spider time and bug time and all that. Anyway, guys, it was a pretty good experience. It wasn't too bad. So, that's what I had to do today. Now, I'm going to be doing some vlogging this weekend. Probably some riding with Becky. White girl Becky, yes, she's running. White girl Becky is up and running, guys. And I fixed her myself. I didn't even have to go on YouTube. I just fixed her myself. I had to take the gas tank off, and I had to think about, because I was watching this guy, Benjamin Outdoors, and he puts together bikes and all kinds of stuff, and not just high speed bikes. He puts together 250s and all that kind of stuff, and he just happened to be doing a 250. He turned it into a Street Fighter, and he was trying to get it started. And I just thought about what he said about the gas tank, and the fuel pump might be bad, or the fuel pump might not be getting the gas to it to get to the carburetor. So I used this technique, and voila, she started right up, runs, no problem. She was starting up, but she was hesitating to start, like, but now she started right up, stays on, runs, everything good. And then I put a new front tire and rim on Venus, he's straight. I just gotta find a place to go. I want to get that. I want to get the chain crimper. I don't feel comfortable with those little things that you put on there. I don't feel comfortable with that. So I have to find a place that does motorcycles and take and let them crimp that chain and mount it down. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do soon, probably this weekend if I can. Well, Sunday's my only day off, so it really doesn't make sense because there ain't going to be a whole lot of places Sunday that I can get that done. So I guess I'll try to look up Sunday what place will do it, and just get on Venus and ride her there and let them crimp her right quick and then keep going. So that's what I'm going to be doing this weekend, and doing some vlogs with the kids. I hadn't put the babies on the channel in a minute, so we're going to do something with them, maybe a mukbang with them, and just some fun stuff. So guys, look forward to seeing that. I got some other things coming this way, so y'all stay tuned on this channel, watch, and don't forget about that $400 cash giveaway. And whoever goes back and watches all my videos and puts comments on them, and when you put the comment on it, that will put you in line to win that $400 cash giveaway. So I need you to get down in there, push where my picture is, push that picture, and it'll take you to all the videos, and then just start watching them and giving comments, and that's all you gotta do to win $400. I mean, that's not even a job. That's just like something to do. Plus, you see a lot of interesting stuff. I got cars, trucks, motorcycles, all kinds of stuff on my channel. I got family stuff, vlogging, all kinds of things. So I'm like all over the place, pretty much. So car crashes, I got all that kind of stuff. I got burns, I got police pullovers, all that stuff's on my channel. So just get on there, watch those videos, give a comment, and win that $400 cash. Guys, let's get on there and let's do that. Alright, who don't want free money? Alright, guys, and you already know, just like that, I'm about to go. Oh my gosh, they're over here. Oh, they're running slow. They're going on. Oh, it's the jump out team. Dang, I should have went in there and got that. I hope y'all see it. I hope I got it on the thing, because it was with my turn, and I didn't have the camera turned all the way, because I didn't know they was doing that. But anyway, guys, just like that, this video's over.